Top cafes in Brampton, a coffee lover's paradise. Hello, coffee aficionados. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best cafes around the world. Today, we're caffeinating our way through the vibrant city of Brampton as we uncover the top cafes that will satisfy your caffeine cravings. So grab your favorite mug and let's dive right in. Our first stop is Coffee Culture Café and Eatery, a cozy spot that combines great coffee with a welcoming ambiance. Indulge in their signature espresso-based drinks, alongside a delicious selection of pastries and sandwiches. The relaxed atmosphere makes it the perfect place to catch up with friends or enjoy some me time. For those with a sweet tooth, Dolcezza Custom Cakes Café is an absolute must-visit. Not only do they serve exceptional coffee, but their specialty lies in their delectable custom cakes and pastries. Treat yourself to a slice of heaven while sipping on a perfectly crafted latte or cappuccino. Next on our list is Bee's Sizzling Steakhouse, a hidden gem that offers a unique coffee experience. They boast a wide range of specialty coffees that are artfully crafted and bursting with flavor. From their velvety, smooth lattes to their creative seasonal beverages, Bee's Sizzling Steakhouse is a coffee lover's paradise. For a taste of local charm, Garden Square Coffee is the place to be. This quaint cafe is located in the heart of Brampton's downtown, offering a cozy atmosphere and friendly service. Their handcrafted coffees, made with locally roasted beans, will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Last but not least, we have Tea by Daniel, a unique cafe that specializes in tea but also serves exceptional coffee. Their expertly brewed coffee blends will impress even the most discerning coffee connoisseurs. With a warm and inviting ambience, Tea by Daniel is the perfect spot to unwind and savor a delicious cup of joe. And there you have it, the top cafes in Brampton that will satisfy your coffee cravings. Whether you're seeking a cozy atmosphere, delightful pastries, or unique coffee blends, these cafes have it all. So next time you're in Brampton, be sure to visit these caffeine havens. Stay tuned for more caffeinated adventures on our channel. Cheers and happy sipping.